Okay, fam. So I wanted to bring you a quick DIY that will bring some festivities to your bathroom, your kitchen, wherever you have a paper towel holder. You can use this DIY. It's quick, it's easy, and if you already have your paper towel holder, then you can use it. You can make it a temporary DIY, how I'm going to make it. So after Christmas holidays, I can remove the part, the decorative part, and go back to my regular paper towel holder. But if you don't have a paper towel holder, you can go to Dollar Tree and you can get one. And this DIY will only cost you $2. And it's so stinking cute. I could not ask for anything better. So I am going to pause this or actually, let me see. Where is my thing? I'm trying to turn it around, guys. I might can't, so I might have to just do it like this. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this little stake thing that goes into your ground outside, and I took some wire cutters and I snipped the long part, the stake part that goes into it. I snipped it off so that I can have a bigger surface for the decorative piece to sit on. So I have this type of paper towel holder, and it has like the square, and it has this thing that goes down the middle and then two sides right here. So I wanted to make sure that I had 3 points touching like this to give it some extra added security when it's sitting up there, and it's also going to sit away from the paper towels. So after you snip everything, after you snip the metal stake off, and see, this one is so cute. It has it's a reindeer, and it has like a windmill flower on it. Dollar Tree has so many different one of these type of Christmas things. And like I said, if you're just in a rush to put some type of festivities in your bathroom or kitchen, and you don't want to go all out, this is the way to go right here. So like I said, I'm going to make mine a temporary DIY. Don't look at all that stuff right there, guys. Don't worry about it. It's going to be taken care of soon, but not right now. I got too much decorating to finish doing to worry about that right there. And my family, I was only going to put up one tree, and my family was like, you have to put one up in the family room. So that's what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and position this like this so I can know where I need to put my glue. And if you want to make this permanent, you can use hot glue and E6000. The hot glue would be like a right now fix, and the E6000 would be a permanent hold. So I am going to put my hot glue right here. Hopefully you can see it, guys. I'm going to put some right here, and I'm going to put some right here. I'm not really worried about it touching the counter right now, because I'll get that up in just a minute. And so as you can see already, it's so cute. It's standing up, and I'm just going to move it around a little bit so that when I get ready to lift it up. Okay, so far you see how cute that is, and it didn't even take us long at all, did it? So I'm still going to reinforce it because, like I said, mine is going to be a temporary thing, because after the holidays I'm going to use this again. So now I'm gonna go right in the back here, and I'm going to secure it some more. I'm just let that hot glue fall where it may, and I'm going to go behind each one of the other parts that's touching the bottom, and put some hot glue around there as well. And I'm going to give it an opportunity to dry. But isn't that cute? And it didn't take us long at all. Look how cute that is. That's really, really cute. And like I said, I'm going to let it dry a little bit longer. So I'm going to move this stuff out the way so you can still see it. Guys, see that cricket back there? When we get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm giving that cricket away. Yeah. And it's in excellent condition. And I have a cricket mini also. And when we get to 50,000 subscribers, I am going to give that one away along with a couple of cartridges. Okay, so everything is dry now and it's secure. And the only thing that's left to do is to put your paper towels on. And just like that, you have a cute little Christmas DIY that you can put in your bathroom, your kitchen. You can even put it like if you use paper towels, like just wherever you want to put it at, that's where you can. And then so I am going to, I thought I had my house shoes on, but I don't. So I'm going to show you like you can put it like right here on your counter. So this is my coffee station and stuff. As you can see, I'm still putting up decorations, but this is my coffee station over here. And if I want to have a paper towels over here, I can actually put this right here, and it ties in right here. Also, you can, if you're one that does a lot of dishwashing and stuff, you can sit it right there by your sink. And in our household, we put ours like over on the opposite side of the sink, up under the dish thing. And so we sit it right here. And so that just brought some Christmas in to this area right here. So guys, I know it's probably a little dark over here. Let me turn on the 2 lights so maybe you can see it a little bit better. Oh yeah, definitely see it a lot better. Okay, so here we have it right here. And I'm going to show you back over here, the coffee station, where, so you can see it better. And then you have it right there. Can you see it? Yeah, you have it right there in the coffee station. So guys, like I said, quick little DIY, Christmas DIY that you can add, make it permanent, or you can make it temporary like I did. If you want to make it temporary, you use hot glue. If you want to make it permanent, you use E6000 and hot glue together with it. So guys, Christmas is almost here. My birthday is almost here. And needless to say, we're not going to make our mark, but I thank each and every one of you guys for sharing our channel and helping us get to where we are. I am going to show you guys my Christmas decorations, hopefully by Monday, and maybe hopefully tomorrow. If I have everything up tomorrow, that would be our live time. We'll go around and do the Christmas decorations, or someone asked me to do the dining room live, so I may do the dining room table live tomorrow. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say it, you can count on it that I truly, truly believe it. Oh, I believe it. Hope you believe it and want you to know it. So, bye guys.